Meridians is joining the energy center point by point. And the Tao really emphasize in the abdominal area, or we call the center in the navel area. That's where all the energy beginning. So all the thing that we do is will be involved with the what we call by doing the position and feel a meridian energy flow. So when you grab and you laying down your neck and you pull towards your chest, your neck not come up. So we're going to do 3 times. Okay. So this one activate the spleen and the stomach meridian. So inhale, exhale, pull, hold, feel the tendon stretch, and exhale. Inhale, 2, hold, inhale, 3, and exhale. Okay, now you feel the stretching of the whole tendon and meridian. Now, we're going to come up, pull, and the neck coming up toward the knee. So inhale, pull, and up, hold for a moment, hold for a moment, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. And rest. Feel the line of energy flow and to the spleen and the stomach meridian area. Actually, they are both sides, but the spleen and pancreas on the left side. Now, right leg. So we lay down, relax, inhale, pull your knee towards your chest. 1, hold, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very simple exercise, but if you do it right, very efficient. Now feel warm and nice chi flow. Again, inhale, exhale up, and rest. Now we're going to be grab the knee. We relax, we're not going to come up first. So you hold the knee. Inhale, exhale, push, press again, liver, press again liver, spleen, stomach, and the meridian also. And inhale, relax, and relax your hand. 2, and inhale, relax. Inhale, exhale, pull, and relax. Now we're going to come up the neck toward the knee. Inhale, pull the knee towards the chest and the head up. Inhale, pull, up. You exhale, hold for a moment. You feel like to hold until it started to vibrating. It said the chi flow and it breaking the blockages. And exhale. Inhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Hold. and inhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Come up, hold until you started to vibrating, and exhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale.